Red teaming is the organizing of cybersecurity experts who simulate real-world attacks on the assets of enterprises. They utilize techniques and procedures that disinterested parties or even adversaries may use to attack organizations in real life. Often, companies hire third-party red teams in order to truly see the outsider perspective on exploiting their businesses. Unlike in penetration testing, red teams customize necessary tools according to what they deem suitable for the attacks and do not utilize predefined processes. They don't focus on just one aspect alone. Their attacks target these systems, technologies, and people of the companies. Red teaming also seeks to discover new vulnerabilities and not only exploit a known one. To start, red teams conduct reconnaissance of their client companies to observe what is happening in the company and gain insights from what they find. This allows red teams to tailor techniques according to the company's vulnerabilities and create custom tools for conducting the attacks. Next, red teams will exploit the systems and assets of companies using such personalized procedures. The results of this simulation include a report of all of the vulnerable assets and respective remedies to be submitted to the companies. Various assets are included in red teaming, from the company's systems, network, physical facilities, and even people. Red teams may conduct different hacking techniques, social engineering, and exploitation of the buildings of the client companies. To fully simulate a real-life attack, employees of the companies should be left unaware of the simulation taking place. Also, red teaming is not a one-time process, as it also ensures continuity by giving remedies to the vulnerabilities found. With red teaming, companies will be informed of the possible weaknesses within their company, whether it is their systems, infrastructure, and even their people.